Hello guys, welcome back to another edition of Buy or Buy. I'm Erkin, this is the life of a broski, and I have got the latest release by Adidas. So here we have the Ultra Boost 20 Core Black and Boost Blue Violet colour. Personally, the best colourway out of the lot. The sole all around is just amazing to look at. It does change colour depending on the light and the angle you're seeing it from. Nice neon accents at the back here and also underneath the sole here. This looks like a glow in the dark stick. I don't know if you can see it because of the lighting, but it looks really cool, you see? On the tongue it says Adidas Boost in Space ISS National Lab. So at first glimpse I can tell there is hardly any structure at the back here. That's literally sock-like structure and material. Very stealthy, but also very outlandish too. On the front, we of course got Adidas with the stripes. So right at the back here, there's Ultra Boost. Not sure if the camera can pick that up, but it's a very subtle Ultra Boost sign there. I've just realized on both of the soles, they are lopsided. Now I'm guessing they have done their research in terms of how people walk and run. It is normally heel to toe, so that is a very different but nice touch. Underneath you have Continental again and that tire-like design on the sole. On the top of the sneaker it is very sock-like, but it does feel very premium at the same time. I'm going to compare it to the Flyknit versions of trainers with Nike, and I've got to say this has the upper hand in terms of material and design. I have to give it to Ultra Boost at the moment. Now I have done a review on the Ultra Boost 19 and the Alpha Edge 4D. These were the collaborations with Star Wars. If you haven't already seen those, I will be putting links down below in the description box, or click the cards up above and that will take you straight to them. At first glimpse, very beautiful, and I don't know if this review will do this design justice. So you know how it goes guys, I will be trying these on very quickly just so you can see how they look on foot, if they are living up to that Ultra Boost reputation of comfort and stability. So I'll see you in a tick. So guys, just tried this bad boy on, and I can confirm these are true to size, amazing comfort as usual with Ultra Boost by Adidas. It really does feel like a thick sock is hugging your foot from the top. It doesn't even feel like you're wearing sneakers. They're so light, very comfortable, and I've never really been an Adidas fanatic, but I feel like I am being swayed. So styling and design, definitely winner, chicken dinner in that department. On foot, comfort and stability, another winner there. To buy or not to buy? That is the question. Because I'm such a fan of the Ultra Boost technology and series from Adidas, this just tops it up even more. And going into 2020, this is going to be leading the line. So Adidas Ultra Boost 20, you get a buy. So guys, that's it from me. Hope you like this video. Leave your comments down below whether they are a buy or a buy. Would you go for this colorway, or do you prefer the 4D series from Adidas? And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and of course broskis, until the next episode, take care.